Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Today I would like to share with you a simple and easy to prepare health drink, which when taken moderately will bring you many health benefits and make you look many years younger than people of your same age. This drink is the ginger brown sugar tea. Although the ingredients are cheap and common, it has amazing healing effects. Now let's see what are the health benefits of this ginger brown sugar tea. 1. Improve digestion and prevent cold. Traditional Chinese medicine believes that ginger is warm in nature. It contains gingerol, which can dilate blood vessels, promote blood circulation, improve digestion, and also effectively ease bloating, stomachache, and diarrhea. Meanwhile, brown sugar can help to strengthen the spleen and help nourish the blood, warm the stomach, and boost blood circulation. Combining ginger and brown sugar is very effective in removing cold and to warm the stomach. It is a popular cold prevention tonic drink among Chinese. 2. For rosy and younger looking skin. Ginger is rich in gingerol, which is a natural active ingredient, which helps promote blood circulation, discharge melanin from the body, thereby effectively removing spots. The active ingredient in the ginger has strong anti-oxidizing capability, able to effectively suppress free radicals from producing, fade the dark spots, and delay aging. Combining ginger with brown sugar can enhance beauty even more, and if taken consistently can greatly delay aging and fade spots. 3. Maintain ovaries health. Cold uterus is a term frequently used in traditional Chinese medicine, usually associated with unexplained infertility and menstrual pain. Chinese believes ginger can promote blood circulation and keep your ovaries healthy, because ginger is warm in nature. It is a good blood nourishing tonic and helps activate blood circulation, and also has ovary warming property. Combining ginger and brown sugar can help to improve ovarian and uterine blood flow, and also nurture the ovary. Chinese believes that having healthy ovaries can help to maintain a woman's youthfulness and make her look younger. Although ginger and brown sugar tea has many health benefits, it is not to be taken every day. 2 to 3 times weekly is sufficient. It is best to drink it after breakfast. People with diabetes should not take ginger and brown sugar tea because of the sugar content. How to make this ginger brown sugar tea? First, wash and scrub ginger clean. Prepare about 16 slices of ginger. Then put the ginger slices into a pot. Pour 2 cups of water into pot. Cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, put 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. Stir and cook for another 3 minutes. Remember to drink it while it is still warm for best effect. Thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe to my channel if you find my video helpful. Remember to click the bell button too to get notified about my latest videos. I promise to give more useful tips to enhance your health and beauty. Thank you.